How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the color of your HyperX QuadCast 2. So the first thing that we need is the HyperX Ingenuity application or software. Basically, with this one, it handles some HyperX settings, including the lighting, as we can see on this image right here. So just get the official HyperX Ingenuity application, and then it will automatically detect all of the HyperX devices connected with your computer. So from there, just head over to the HyperX QuadCast 2, which will then look something like this. So inside this page, you have your microphone setting, headphone setting, and more. And then you want to click on the lights option, which is going to be this one. Right after, it will then look something like this. So you can add multiple effects if you want to. Just click on the add effect option. And of course, there are different presets like the wave, breathing, cycle, solid, and something similar. In our case, it's going to be something like cycle or solid. You can then choose your color by navigating through this section. So you can choose the opacity of your light and of course modify some additional options like speed and more. And so that's how you change colors in your HyperX microphone. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.